Hey guys, it's Auti. Today I'm super excited to be walking you through the best budget-friendly drugstore finds for stage makeup. So I'll be walking you through from primers to tools like brushes and what are those called, Bray?
I don't know.
Sponges? The eggs? Beauty blenders is what they're called. Hi, brain. Yeah, I'll be showing you everything that you guys need for your recitals, for your shows, and all of that fun stuff. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that we're gonna go through is our brushes. You don't need to spend like $1 million on brushes, but you do need good eyeshadow brushes, powder, blush, highlighter. Okay, so kind of a lot, but they have really good ones at drugstores, and my favorite brand is Sonia Kashuk. So you can do like this. This is a smoky eye brush set. And this will be for like underneath your eyebrow. This will be for the crease. This will be for under your eye. So this kind of stuff is perfect. I wouldn't spend more than like $20, $25 on brushes. And you're probably like, what? That's a lot of money. But you use those forever. So it's a good investment. Okay guys, so now to put on your foundation, I prefer to use a beauty blender or an egg, but not a brush. I think it works better. So a little tip, beauty blenders are like $20, like the actual brand ones. But if you go to a drugstore, they have them for like $3, $4. All you want to make sure is that they're squishy and you're good to go. Eyelash curlers. They're not essential, but I love the curled lash. So my favorite brand is Trim. Same thing as your beauty blender, your sponge, don't spend more than $5 on it. That's crazy. This little guy comes with extra little pieces that's where your eyelashes squish in. And if you're super fancy, you can get the mermaid version. Ooh. Hello friends, it's prime time. Why prime? Because we're looking at primers. Okay, why a primer? This goes on before your foundation and it helps kind of smooth out your skin so that your foundation has a better canvas or surface to be put on top of. So my favorite is the NYX primer. There's 3 different kinds. You have, what is this? Softens fine lines and pores. This one I believe is for if you have a little bit of redness, green mattes out red. And then this guy right here, let's read it, anti-dull skin. So if you have dull skin, this is for you. This guy is not too expensive, coming in at $12.99, and this goes on again before your foundation. Maybe it's Maybelline. Yeah. You guys, foundation is the place that you don't want to jip out on. So if you want to do cheaper makeup, do that for the mascaras and the highlighters. But for foundation that's going all over your face and you want to do something like this, this is the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation. Now, super important, because you're going to be on stage and you're going to be sweaty and shiny, you don't want to get foundation that's dewy. So this one is matte, M-A-T-T-E, and poreless. So this will kind of just smooth out your face and it'll eliminate extra oil. So Maybelline Fit Me for your foundation. And this is only $6 and it comes in like 1,000,000 shades. Alright peeps, we're onto our loose powder. So you want to just get translucent. It's good for avoiding color matching with your foundation, and it's good for every skin type. You want to do loose because if you do a pressed powder and you put it on top of your foundation when you're sweating in the middle of recital, it's going to rub everything off and it's going to be a mess. So I like CoverGirl Clean Professional Powder. And this is what you want to put on when you're sticky and oily in between dances. You put this over, you don't reapply your foundation. So this will help you with your shine and all of that extra gunk on your face. Gunk. Cute, Bray, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Hugs, not drugs. Unless it's drugstore makeup finds, like this highlighter by e.l.f. But on the real, this is the best highlighter. It helps your cheekbones pop, and you put it right underneath your eyes, and a little bit on your nose, and around the edges of your face. But this thing comes in at $4 whopping.
Wow.
And it lasts forever. So this is what you want when you're on stage and you're under those beautiful lights. Contour! Contour seems really scary, and it kind of is. I don't personally contour all the time, but I've heard that this palette is really great. It's from NYX. So with contour, you just need a darker color, a little bit of a lighter coloring, and then a highlighter. But I did tell you my favorite highlighter earlier, so this is not essential to use, but if you want to really crease in those cheekbones on stage, this is perfect for you. Again, don't spend too much money on this. You just need a darker color. You could even use a bronzer and just get kind of a thin brush that's creased around it, and that goes right into where your cheekbones are. Bray,
Auti?
do you want to know what the best blush is?
Yeah, I do.
Well, it's in your aisle.
What?
Hold on. CoverGirl Cheekers. You guys, the best color in my opinion is True Plum. So when you're doing your dance recitals, your makeup might look a little bit crazy in person because it's so bright and dark at the same time. But this blush is the best because it shows up on stage. So it's a little bit of a deeper hue, but this lasts forever, and it's only $3.49. Was that good? Eyeshadow. Guys, for the stage, smoky eye makeup is probably the best. And there's 3 colors that are good for every single eye color, and they're great for recitals and shows. And this is cream, gold, and brown. You can throw in black if you would like, but that's for a really dark eye. So CoverGirl has this really cool eye enhancer kit. They have ones for different eye colors too you can look at, and it'll kind of customize to your eyes. But for me, my personal opinion is that you just get something like this that has the creams for underneath your eyebrows. It has the bronze and the browns and the golds to kind of filter into your eye, and you always want to do the darkest on the edges. So this is perfect. It comes in one kit, super easy. Are you dramatic like I am? If that's the case, then you need a bold cat eye. And the only way to do that is with Master Precise by Maybelline. I don't know why I emphasize that syllable, but Maybelline, guys. This is another thing you don't want to jip out on, because we've all seen the crusty liquid eyeliner where it's like, ow, ow, ow. This will keep it on, you guys. It has a really nice brush, and it goes on so smooth and so dark, and this is perfect for over your fake eyelash line. Do you like my lashes? If so, you also want Maybelline Lash Sensational. This is, you guys, I'm obsessed with mascara. I have a really weird sickness about it. And I've tried basically every single mascara from every brand, and this is my absolute favorite. So it's Maybelline Lash Sensational. I get it in the blackest black because I like a dramatic eye. And this stays on, but it also comes off. So there's a lot of mascara that you have to like scrub your eye to get it off, and this actually just comes off really nicely, but it stays on when you need it to. So it's perfect. Fake eyelashes, guys. You love them. You hate them. Mostly you hate them, but these are the best ones. Yes, they're a pain to put on. Yes, they kind of make your eyes feel like you have chainmail on them, but that's okay. You look pretty. So Ardell, I've been wearing these for years and years and years. I would say choose the ones that are fuller rather than longer, because that looks better on stage. The longer ones sometimes look really thin and unnatural. Not that there's anything natural about fake eyelashes, but that's okay. So Ardell, I like the faux mink ones. And then the glue that you choose is so important. I've put on glue before that has literally A, sealed my eyes shut, and B, has made me cry. Brayden's face right now. Dance is hard, okay?
Okay.
Duo is so sensitive on your eyes, and it holds eyelashes on, so it's a perfect combination. So you want a Duo, and you want Ardell. And this is your best friend pair right here. You better stop, drop, and roll, friends, because your lips are on fire. That's right, Maybelline Color Sensational. This color, On Fire Red, looks so good on stage. It's nice and bright. And this lipstick, you guys, doesn't dry out your lips like other ones do. Sometimes they get all cracked and blech on stage. This one keeps it really smooth, and it keeps it moisturized so that you're not having a hard time during your long shows or your long rehearsals or wherever you're wearing this lipstick to. It also comes in 1,000 different colors, but my favorite is On Fire Red. You're almost set, but you're not fully set. NYX setting spray. You guys, you need this at the end of your makeup routine to just set everything in. You've just put 400 pounds of makeup on your face, so you might as well lock it in. Matte finish. Don't go for things that are dewy, especially for the stage. In regular life, dewy is pretty, it's angelic, yes, but matte on stage because you're already going to be sweating, like I said earlier. So this little guy, just a couple spritzes around your face, and you're good to go. All of your hard work is set in. Alright guys, so now you know that you can find all of these great stage makeup finds at drugstores. You don't have to spend a whole bunch of money. And that's the point! So if you like what you see, we have new dance vlogs every single Wednesday and a fully produced choreography video the last Friday of each month. So like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week.